Candy, come here. Candy, come here. Come here. Let's see your pretty face. Come.
How much did she weigh?
21.4 pounds. Hey, Candy, come here. Come here. Are you just having a puppy dog? What's the tail's wagging? Waggy, waggy, waggy. How old are you? Candy, I want to see how old you are. How old are you, sweetie?
Hi,
This
Candy.
is Candy number 2.
Hi. Oh, you're very soft. Let me see your teeth.
How old are you, honey?
She might be around 3.
3?
Yeah. I'll ask Susan to have a better. You want me to hold her for you?
Oh, okay.
Come on, Candy.
Candy.
Take a picture.
Candy.
She's too happy.
She's a wiggle butt.
Yeah. I'll hold her.
Oh.
Candy.
Hey, hi. We're going to get my cherry eye fixed right now. I'm going to get my cherry fixed, and I'm going to get spayed at Community Vet. Okay, you come.